Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to add brake fluid to your GY6 Chinese Scooter. All you're going to need is a Phillip head screwdriver, rubber mallet, and some DOT3 brake fluid. And on the right handlebar you'll see a box, and if you read the instructions you can see that it needs DOT3, some have DOT4, and you'll get your Phillip head screwdriver. And what you want to do is bang these down a little bit to loosen up the thread locker on them. And we're going to do that a couple on both sides, just to get them loose. And you want to be careful not to strip them. And then they're good, so you want to make sure you use pressure. And when you get that out, you just want to be careful getting those out because you can strip them easily. Be best just to use hand tools and not a drill on this. Once you take that part off, there's going to be a rubber seal in here. You take that rubber seal out, and at this point it looks pretty good. So if you look in here, you'll see that it's almost full, and that's going to be good. So you would just want to put just a little bit in here because you don't want to overfill. And brake fluid is a corrosive, so you don't want to get it on any metal or paint. If you do, just wipe it off. Make sure you put the seal back in there correctly. Put on your cap and get your screws back in there, and you just want to hand tighten it. You don't want to tighten it too much. And an easy way to tell if you need to add or if you're getting low, there's a little nozzle on the side right here, and you can see straight through it and it'll tell you. Alright guys, that's how you add brake fluid to your GY6 Chinese Scooter. Thank you.